Okay, you guys. The first thing I want you to do for me is subscribe to my channel, give me a thumbs up, and comment below. This day, these days actually, May, June, will be the rainy season for us. I don't know for other countries, but for us it's the rainy season. And when we get in these rains, we get in these floods. So if I tell you the trenches, the people's houses, all over flood, all over you guys. So I just want to show you, and I'm right into. I just now went out to pay some bills. So good morning. So I'm going home. I never meet home actually. I'm riding my bicycle. So I want to show you how the weather looks and how the trenches are, and I will show you in our dam. I hope I'm for it so fast too, and I hope you can hear me. So here is our trench, and near me the road too. Look at it. This is our trench. You guys, you're not seeing anything yet. Last night, and I didn't want to vlog at that time because I was gonna say it is late, and I don't even know if my phone, be bright for you to see how the water was. The water nearly beat in my house. We whole yard in flood. This is our road, you guys. This is our road. You know how much money is gonna pay for come out from me? And it's only this piece, These contractor only do half of the road and left the other half. So this is our road too. I didn't give you a lot of update on this road. But since they graded it, not only when they graded it, it gets more worse when you rainfall. So I don't know why they must upgrade it and do it. Rain is coming, you guys. Rain is coming again. And I think that I have to put on my phone because I don't want it to get rain and I can't hold the phone, hold the bicycle, and hold the umbrella. So I'm hurrying to ride home. And near me. So I really want to show you how our dam is. And you didn't really see the dam. I just went for my bicycle at a cousin's house because there my nephew parked it. So, oh my. You guys, right now my back is hurting a lot. I don't know how the way that I sleep. And it's hurting me a lot. So, if you have something for that, like, any remedy or stuff for back pain, can you please comment? Because I'm getting it a lot. So, alright guys, we near me at the bridge. So you can see how the trench is. Look, I'm showing you more of it. And the rain coming again, and the cocoa ain't open. I don't know what time the cocoa will be opening. I have to go and check my chickens. Because I hope how this water's so high, I hope Amy depend. So, alright. I will meet home in the next 5 minutes. 2 minutes. But let me show you. This is our trench. This is our bridge. Okay. Look our trench, you guys. Look. The trench actually took over the dam where I walk. Watch. So, I'm walking in. You see how the water still flowing? The water still coming. The water raising. And somebody did comment me the last time with the flooding and told me that I know Guyana is under sea level. I know that long since I was going to school. But thank you for reminding me about that. Look, you guys. Look how the water is. So, I will show you when I'm meeting the yard. I can show you our yard, you guys. Because this morning when I left, it was flood, but you know it didn't that high. So I can show you how it is now. And you guys, please don't forget to comment and give me a thumbs up and subscribe. So, look at it, you guys. So you see the yard, you guys? Last night it was more higher than this. This is currently nothing now. So this is our water in the place right now. You see how far it is? Look at it. So let me show you how it is. Look, you guys. And look at me. So this is it, our guys. This is our place. In here, I got any water yet. So bye.